Picture this: Spotify Music, a giant hub where you can explore and vibe to all kinds of music genres. And now, think about actually making money while you listen to music online. It's a pretty cool idea, no matter where you're tuning in from, whether it's India, the Philippines, the US, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or anywhere else. The deal is, you can start raking in some cash just by enjoying some Spotify tunes. Fast cash outs make things super convenient, and you could be looking at anywhere from $260 to $900 or even more. Plus, you can do this over and over again. No need for followers, referrals, or upfront investment. It's totally on the house. All you gotta have is a phone or a computer. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to get paid for listening to Spotify music. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through setting up your free Spotify account on both your phone and computer. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about this hush-hush website that's dishing out money for music lovers like you. Stick around. I'll spill the beans on the name of this site. It's all about becoming a music curator and raking in bucks for crafting killer playlists from Spotify tracks. Stay tuned, more on that later. The earning potential through music curation is pretty darn impressive. You could potentially stack up to 800 pounds, which translates to over $1,000 in US dollars. To kick things off, make your way to the website open.spotify.com. Android folks, head to the Google Play Store and grab the Spotify app. iPhone users, you can snag it from the App Store. If you're new to the Spotify scene, you'll need to create a free account. Just follow the link I've got down below, sign up, and fill in the deets. With your Spotify account up and running, you're all set to dive into a treasure trove of music genres. Crafting playlists and sharing them is the name of the game when it comes to making money. Now, let's unveil the mystery site for music curation. It's called musicgateway.com. This spot is where you can score cash for each song or playlist you submit. The more playlists you send their way, the more you stack up in the bank. It all starts with your email, curator name, that's just your full name, and picking Spotify. Scroll down, drop in the important info, like how many submissions you think you can make each week. To get the money flowing, set your sights on at least 200 submissions. And remember, once you've floated more than 200 playlists their way, the money tap starts dripping. But here's the thing, the more you submit, the bigger your cash flow could be. This is a super cool and newbie-friendly chance for all the music enthusiasts out there. To snag a Music Gateway account, scoot on over to the link I've got below. Hit Join for free and walk through the sign-up process. You might need to toss in some details, so stay sharp. Once you're in, you're free to start submitting playlists to Music Gateway and earning some dough. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, back to Spotify. Dive into different genres that match up with what Music Gateway is all about, like pop music for instance. Start creating playlists by adding songs to them. Just click Create Playlist, give it a name, let's say Pop Vibe, and start tossing in some tracks. You can also check out Spotify suggestions for more tunes to add. And the big secret sauce here? It's all about submitting your playlist to Music Gateway. To get the cash rolling in, you'll need to hit that 200 submission mark. Once you're approved, every song or playlist you send their way is like a paycheck in your pocket. This is an awesome and fresh way to earn some dough while you groove. Remember, it's all about crafting playlists and getting them out there. If this info rocked your world, show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and drop a comment with any questions you've got. Now let's get back to business and start scoring some cash. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!